Hello, my name is Rian Wahyudi with him 1917200046 of class 170B. I will explain the steps that must be prepared for before conduction an interview. Prepare a CV portfolio and other documents that can highlight your abilities. Making a CV as attractive and informative as possible will be a plus for you, especially if you are applying for a job or major related to the creative industry. Of course, your CV will be the first thing to be asked. Apart from the appearance, your CV must also describe the abilities and experience you have as clearly as possible. Then, portfolio and other supporting documents, such as certificate for example, must also be prepared. 2. Dig up information about the position or department to the intended company or university. This is the second most important thing, but sometimes it is often forgotten by many people. You don't want to arrive at the interview with your head blank. Finding out about the company and the position you are applying for is very important because interviews often ask about it. And 3. Arrive on time. Punctuality when it comes to interviews also has an important role. Coming on time will show the character of discipline in you. When it comes to interviews, it's a good idea to come 20 minutes before your scheduled interview. You can use this time to tidy up your appearance, prepare a CV and other interview material that is really needed. To calm your mind so that you don't get nervous during the interview. 4. Be neat and polite. Dressing up is mandatory when you attend an interview. After all, the first thing an interview will notice in your appearance. If you are applying for a banking company, formal clothes such as shirts, trousers, and loafers are the first options. Apart from your appearance, your attitude during the interview process starting from the time you wait. When the interview process takes place until you go home must be kind and polite. 5. Don't forget about body language. Shaking hands is one of the body gesture that must be maintained. Not too line but also to not tight is the right way to shake hands. Don't forget to look the other person in the eye when shaking hands. Maintaining eye contact with the interview is another body gesture that also needs attention. Try to look him to the eye when you are talking or when the other person is talking. 6. Prepare answer that you know you will be asked for. Usually, the interview will ask a lot about your previous work experience. If you don't have work experience, he will focus on asking about the abilities you have related to the field of the work you are applying for. Addition, interviews also often ask about your future plans in the next few years. The point of the question is not to point to your personal future plans, but rather to the contribution you can make to the company in the future. And the last number, prepare questions that you want to know about the position or job you want to apply for. Asking question about the work or scope of work of the company you are aiming for can show your deeper interest and interest in the company. If you are given to ask questions, do your best to get the information you want. If there is nothing you want to ask, you can answer like this. Thank you. The information that you have provided is clear. There are no more questions for me. So the explanation about the steps before conducting the interview, I say thank you.